If you look inside your heart, you don't have to be afraid of what you are. Listen and if you reach into your soul and the soul that you know, no matter where. And then a hero comes along with a strength to carry on, and you have to feel alive, and you know you can survive. So when you feel like hope is gone, look inside you and be strong, and you'll finally see the truth that I feel light in you. It's a long road when you face the world alone. No one reaches out their hand for you to hold. Ano ba yan?